आजकल हेल्थ रीजंस और डाइटरी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस के कारण लोग वीगन एंड डेयरी फ्री फूड प्रेफर करते हैं. So, how do we bake without eggs and butter? Hello everyone and welcome to Diaries. I am Rakhee and today I'm going to teach you how to bake a beautiful vegan blueberry oats muffin. So let's get started. So for the ingredients we have 1/3 cup of water. पानी को room temperature पे ही रखना है. 1 teaspoon vinegar. 100 grams castor sugar. You just give this a nice mix. आपको सिर्फ इसमें sugar dissolve करनी है. Once our sugar is dissolved, I will add 45 ml of oil. Ensure that you are adding oil little at a time by emulsification method. Oil से हमारा sponge बहुत ही soft और delicate रहेगा. आप देख सकते हैं ये पूरा एक ही liquid बन चुका है. Next, I will add in all my dry ingredients, which is 100 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, and give it a nice mix. The best thing about this recipe is you don't really need anything like a machine or anything. A hand whisk can also do. You can see the batter. अब इसमें हम डालेंगे हमारी ब्लूबेरीज. Now I'm going to put this batter in a silicone mold to bake. My oven is already preheating at 140 degrees Celsius since 5 minutes. So my muffin tray is already lined and ready. All I need is a piping bag. I'm going to put in my batter and I'm going to fill in all my muffin molds. If you don't have a drinking glass, this is also what you can do. मैंने इसका होल थोड़ा सा बिग किया है because I have my blueberries also inside. So let's pour. We're now going to top it up with our oats. So my muffin trays are ready and I'm going to bake them at 140 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. अब हमारे hot muffins ready है. Let's cool them और फिर हम इसे demold करेंगे. So let's plate our muffins. Just getting them out of the silicone mold. See this? They're nice and hot. You can see the steam. They come off very easily. देखिए अभी भी ये थोड़े से गर्म हैं. And the muffins are ready. I'm going to break open one of the muffins to show you how it tastes. Do connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and do visit our website.